Welcome back. We continue staying with those pictures coming in from Mumbai, right outside the Mantralaya, where protesters who have been protesting over the muzzling of free media in the state of Maharashtra have now been detained and been taken into custody there. And this is happening right outside the Mantralaya there. As we continue to get you more pictures on that, it is being said that the Mahavikas Aghadi government is not allowing the BJP Karyakartas to protest peacefully. We continue getting those live updates from Mumbai. Niranjan has more with them. Niranjan, over to you.
Well, these were protests that were held primarily by the BJP youth wing, and they were on the continuing attack on media freedom and also the free speech which is being targeted in the state of Maharashtra. Given the way that a social media activist was targeted and handcuffed and his face covered and taken to the jail, that was one inflection point, and also the manner in which Republic TV has been targeted. This was a protest that they were carrying out, asking for media freedom in the state of Maharashtra, but all of them facing a crackdown. In fact, even the protests were not allowed. All of them were picked up outside the Mantralaya within seconds and minutes of them gathering outside the Secretariat in South Mumbai. Now, these are pictures that came in earlier. You're looking at the still pictures and the videos that came in of the report that was sent to us from Asia. Everyone who had gathered there were detained almost immediately, and they were picked up, and the protest was not allowed to continue. The police cracking down on that protest, and everybody who had gathered there to ask for media freedom and ask for the police state to end were detained almost immediately. These are pictures that came in. 2 or 3 buses that were there, taking away all those who had gathered outside the Mantralaya to protest against the manner in which the state administration and the police force led by Parambir Singh had cracked down on the media. There were several issues that they were protesting against on why the state machinery was being used to crush the voice of media. Case in point, Republic TV has also been attacked relentlessly by the establishment, and also a man called Parambir Singh, where a fake case has been foisted on us, and several fake cases and several attempts are being made to sort of try and intimidate us. Now, that apart, there are cases where 4 or 5 social media activists have also been picked up, detained or arrested after they put out tweets on social media on several ministers in the ruling establishment. So on the back of all of these developments, these protests were held to ask for media freedom and to ask for the police state to end. But ironically, that too was not allowed. Even a protest was not allowed. Within minutes of gathering, the protest was rounded up. Those who had gathered there rounded up and detained. Let me go across to Atul Bhatkalkar of the BJP joining us on the phone line. Atul Bhatkalkar, even a protest for media freedom was cracked down on by the police this afternoon.
See, in last 15 years, first time this is happening, that police and government is not even allowing protest in front of Mantralaya. In earlier government, they always come to Mantralaya, they do some protest, then police take action on them. But today, I have seen horrible thing. Even before protest starts, they arrested all Yuva Morcha BJP workers. Not only that, when they came to know yesterday that we are going to protest, they issued notices in the midnight to some Yuva Morcha office bearers that if you have go to do something, we will take action against you. This is nothing but fascism and Hitler Raj is going on in Maharashtra. They are trying to muzzle the voice of freedom of press, not only voice of press, basically they try to muzzle the voice of Republic media, and they are trying to close down Republic media. But again and again I am telling to the chief priest of this Maharashtra that it is not possible. They cannot muzzle our voice. We will keep on fighting for freedom of the press.
Now, secondly, Mr. Bhatkalkar, you are saying that it's the first time in 15 years that protests have not been allowed outside Mantralaya. Is this normal to detain people outside the Mantralaya? Has this happened before?
No, it is first time. See, what normal practice is, if anybody wants to do protest, they protest for a few minutes. Then police ask them to sit in the van. Police take them to Azad Police Chowki. But if you are not even ready to allow protest, is it this democracy or what? This is nothing but Hitler-shahi of Uddhav Thackeray government. Protest is a fundamental right in democracy. They are not there to damage any property. They just want to air their voice. That is a fundamental right in democracy. And we are not saying that you should not arrest us, or we are not saying you should not take any action against us. But it is too far. This never happens in Maharashtra.
Okay, Atul, thank you for speaking to Republic TV. I think we also have Suresh Nakwa on the phone line. Suresh, what were you protesting against and why were you stopped and detained?
See, our protest of BJP and BJYM is for the killing of freedom of media, killing of freedom of social media, killing of freedom of common man. If common man says something, gundas are sent to his place. If you are arrested, you are treated like a terrorist, you are dragged like a terrorist. Even the media, how media is being treated, how your channel is being treated by Mumbai police under Maharashtra government, everyone knows. So this is nothing but an emergency. It's Aghadi Sarkar emergency that is going on. It's nothing more than an emergency.
Okay, Suresh, thank you for speaking to Republic TV. Those are pictures that are coming in from outside the Mantralaya or the Secretariat in Mumbai, that's South Mumbai, where BJP and its youth wing workers had gathered earlier today to protest against several issues, including the attack on media freedom and how social media activists were picked up. In fact, there have been several instances of social media activists being picked up almost immediately after putting up social media posts, either speaking out against the government or its ministers. In the wake of these arrests and the crackdown, the unofficial crackdown and the emergency that has been imposed in the state of Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai, several workers had gathered there outside the Mantralaya, but within seconds were rounded up, put into a van and taken away. Those are the pictures that came in earlier. Taking a short break on that note. Stay tuned.